in the topic of integration by substitution. Now let us start with evaluating some important standard integrals. So the first important standard integral would be what? It would be nothing but the evaluation of the integral of tan x with respect to x. So my question, suppose if I take in the form of question, that would become evaluate the integral, integration tan x dx, right? So how to do it and what is the answer? Let's see. I know that my tan x is basically sin x upon cos x, dx remains as it is, and if I take the question as I, this is nothing but the integral I. Now, I know that what is the relation between sin x and cos x, except their squares add up to 1. If I have put cos x is equal to t substitution done, then it becomes minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Very easy for us now. What is the value of sin x dx? That is nothing but minus dt. So, if this is your 1, this is your equation number 2, you will simply say put 2 in 1. Then my I changes, and what is my integral now? It is nothing but integration symbol, sin x dx makes it minus dt upon cos x is t. So, it is nothing but minus log t plus c. What was t? T was nothing but what? T was cos x. So, minus log cos x plus c is I. And what was I? It was nothing but the integration of tan x. So, my formula remains what? My formula becomes integral tan x dx is equal to minus log cos x plus c, or in short one more formula you can derive from this given formula. If you keep minus sign here, it becomes 1 upon cos x, and what is 1 upon cos x? Secant x. So, another formula would be log mod sec x or secant x plus c, and that is the answer. So, integration of tan x, if I ask you, there are two formulas which you have to memorize every time. You won't be evaluating them. Simply memorize, and that is the key to solution.